process begins here. Tanker trucks deliver the freshest milk at dawn, captured with stunning hyper-realism.
Through the use of automated destoners and vibratory sieves, the cocoa beans are meticulously cleaned, ensuring only the highest quality beans.
The cocoa levels are stabilizing at 99.8%.
Good. Maintain the flow rate for the next cycle.
Monitoring the conching temperature is crucial. As you can see, the viscosity is precisely controlled.
By precisely controlling the energy profile of the grinding mills, we ensure a perfectly smooth particle size every time.
Automated tempering machines precisely cooling and reheating the chocolate to form stable beta crystals.
We use advanced thermal imaging to maintain the chocolate at its ideal working temperature.
This state-of-the-art heat exchanger rapidly cools the milk, preserving its velvety texture and flavor. The laser sensors meticulously check each cavity, ensuring perfect consistency before the molds proceed to the cooling tunnel. Torque check. Each bar is visually checked by camera for surface gloss and completeness. As the pallets move toward the temperature-controlled dispatch area, the precise climate control ensures the integrity.
Our state-of-the-art CIP system ensures every pipeline is flawlessly clean, removing all residual chocolate with high-pressure foam and steam.
Rapid, toolless replacement of a depositor nozzle on the molding line.
The viscosity is exactly where we need it for the reduced sugar line.
And the sensory analysis confirms the enhanced flavor notes.
The snap on this is perfect. We should integrate the caramel swirl right here.
I agree. It highlights the texture we sketched out.
Pilot line, testing new mold designs and depositing techniques on a small-scale, flexible production line.
Observe the crystallization process. Maintaining this precise temperature is critical for achieving the perfect snap and texture.
All right, team. Before we begin maintenance on the line, we must follow the lockout/tagout procedures strictly. I'm detecting notes of toasted almond and perhaps a hint of cherry.
Yes, the aroma profile is very complex.
Poşinipums and Biscanjoje kolti hai. To se chin gincha yabaga und jekte se ge. Enkan chim yekti inkte bablet.